Hello, friend. Today I have taken one topic from social issues. The name of the topic is Economics of Terrorism. The term terrorism is emerged from French Revolution. That time the term had positive connotation. Terrorism, like other human activity that involves production and creation of goods and service, needs money. In initial stage, terrorism depends on donation, borrowing, and robbing banks and rich people. State sponsor are the starting point of all externally originating terror activities. For example, the terrorist organization Hamas was initially funded by the state Saudi Arabia. Hamas is fighting for the Palestinian cause. Funds are needed to maintain cadre, arrange their training, weapons, and shelter. Eventually, all terrorism became a profitable business. Terrorism and turbulence have existed in West Asia on a massive scale for several decades. The assassination of Anwar Sadat, the president of Egypt, the Yom Kippur War, which took place between Israel and Arab countries, were the early marks. Hezbollah, the terrorist organization, was born in 1986 and Hamas in 1987, at a time when the Afghan jihad against the Soviet Russia raged or intensified. In this jihad war, many Arab participated. This was a great economic and financial opportunity for unconventional businessmen, middlemen, and terrorist turned businessmen. The Arab Bank in Sidon, which is situated in Lebanon, was the bank of convenience of Palestine Liberation Organization, or in short PLO, till Israeli invasion in April 1982. That year, that means in up to 1982, PLO controlled 35 factories in Lebanon with lucrative business interests abroad. Tax worth millions collected by PLO from all illegal activity in Lebanon was shared with Arab luminaries. The Lashkar-e-Toiba, the Pakistani terrorist outfit, moves counterfeit currencies through hawala and smuggles opium. Liberation Tiger of Tamil Eelam, the outfit, terrorist outfit, ran its phone card business in Europe, while Irish Republican Army ran taxis in Belfast in Europe. It was estimated back in 2000 that there was estimated 1.5 trillion worth of criminal money in a global system. It was described as gross criminal product. This gross criminal product included illegal capital flight, narcotic trades, smuggling of arms, human trafficking, and so on. Many laundering of this profit got linked with the legal business run by armed organization and charitable organization. This is described as new economy of terror by Italian political scientist Loretta Napoleoni. Most of this money found its way into the US till 9 by 11. Subsequent tightening of US law diverted this fund to Europe. The internet has made the things faster and easier. Thus, money nexus among interested players remains the strongest driving force for terrorism. This is what will have to be broken to take control of terrorism. To conclude, terrorism became now lucrative business run on a corporate style. Thank you for watching my video.